everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Aisha Loves Makeup. Today I'm super excited. I have my Macy's Beauty Box in the mail for the month of July. If you guys want to know what I got in my box, then keep on watching. I just want to start off by saying welcome anyone new to my channel. Hi, my name is Aisha. I do lots of unboxings on my channel. I love makeup subscription boxes, so that's the majority of what you see on my channel. But I also do makeup hauls and my favorite makeup mystery boxes. For the most part, I get any makeup mystery box. If there's one, I'll get it. Only like if it's a brand that I really don't like and I know I'm not going to use, and I probably won't get it. But for the most part, I get them all. So if you guys like videos like that, then I would say subscribe to my YouTube channel and become a part of my YouTube family. And do me a favor, if you like my video, you like my content, people always want to know how they can give back. An easy way to give back is just giving me a simple thumbs up. It really helps the channel. So, and subscribe. If you're watching my channels anyway, subscribe so you know when I upload a video. As long as you hit that notification bell, you should get an alert every time I upload a video. And I normally upload at least 3 videos a week. I try to do way more than that, but I tell myself, I always goal myself at least 3. And I always, since I started my channel, I've always had, I think it's been like maybe 2 months out of the year where I didn't post something like out of the week, but I'm normally consistent. Thank you guys so much for everyone who's been subscribing, and that's it. Let's get into the box. Alrighty guys, so this is your sneak peek. This is what it looks like. I don't get how they when they do the boxes, it opens up like this. So it's very weird. It's not your typical box, but this is what was inside. So let's see. So normally it's just the tissue paper. Normally you just get your inside the box. It just looks like so. But this time around we get a cool little makeup bag. I'm here for it. It's giving me island vibes. So this is the card, and this is, I guess, everything I got in my bag. And then, so this time they gave a $5 off your $20 purchase. And then I guess this is everything in the bag. Again, like a picture. I don't know why they just won't do it. It used to be $5 off anything you buy in the beauty, in the cosmetics area, but now they give like a minimum purchase. So I don't know why they started that, but nevertheless, it's $5 off. If you're gonna buy something, at least you still get $5 off, and you can only use it in cosmetics. Alrighty, so I didn't really glance too much at the spoiler because I want to be surprised. I like to see everything with you guys. So something fell out the thing, so I'll just start off with this. But let's just look at this bag for a second. She cute. Look, you can see me, guys. Can you guys see me? She is cute. Okay, Macy's Beauty Box. We see you. We see you. This fell out, so we're going to look at this first. It is a Yves Saint Laurent. I'm guessing, is this a lipstick? Oh, another red lipstick. I just did my BoxyCharm mystery boxes, and I got 2 beautiful red lipsticks. And now I have a 3rd one. Look at that. Wow, wow, wow. I love myself a good red lip. Does this smell? Sometimes the Yves Saint Laurent, it does. This stuff smells like perfume. I used to work for Chanel Cosmetics, and when you work for a beauty company, you have to go to a beauty school. So I had to go to Chanel school in the city. It was so cool. They give you a Chanel uniform. You're all in your Chanel uniform, and the school was on 5th Avenue. And you would go to the school, and they would teach you about the products. And I remember one of the associates, because all of us obviously we all work for Chanel Cosmetics in like a store. Somebody was like, why does all of the stuff have like a perfume scent to it? And they explained that because it's a luxury brand, they want the customer to have a luxury experience. So luxury experience as far as like packaging, scent. So although this is not Chanel, it's the same concept with Yves Saint Laurent. It's a luxury brand, so they put perfume in their products to give you that whole luxury experience. So when you smell it, it smells good. Because some lipsticks don't smell like anything, or they don't smell the best. But anything high-end, for the most part, they put fragrances in their products. Although I don't think my Dior lipsticks smell like perfume, to be honest with you. I know Chanel does and Yves Saint Laurent. But let me see if I can get a little close-up for you guys. But that's what it looks like. Alrighty, so let's dig in, guys. Let's dig in. Ooh, I love getting goodies. Goodies. Alrighty, so it's hard to do a sneak peek when it's not in a box, but this is you guys' sneak peek. Can you guys see? There you go. Alright, so, oh, there's some stuff inside of here that's extra stuff. Alright. So, one of the things I will say that I love, I forgot to tell you guys, this box is only $15. I feel like this box reminds me a lot of the Sephora like beauty box, because that was only $15 and you always got like cool stuff in there, and you would get like perfume and skincare and everything. And although I don't love getting skincare, because like I said, guys, I'm still gonna film and show you guys like the majority of my skincare, like where I stash it in one of my half a bathrooms in my house. And when you guys see, then you guys will know, like Aisha, now I see why you don't want any more skincare, because it's insane, but you have to see it to believe it. So wait on that video, But nevertheless, I love when they give like fragrance stuff. Like I look forward to this box because it's different than like the other boxes, and you really get your bang for your buck for just spending $15. And they always give you a coupon that you can use. So it's like, let's say I went to Macy's and I went to the cosmetic department and I wanted to buy like a lipstick, and I used this coupon and I said save $5, and I would have already saved. Then the box would have been a value of only $10 because I got $5 back. So that's amazing. Just saying. But they gave me a Versace perfume. And I mentioned this in my other videos. Me getting these perfumes have been bad for me because I've been buying all the ones that I love. So this is what I got this time around. It says Versace Dylan Turquoise. Let's see. It says the top note is mandarin essence, pink pepper, guava. Middle note is guava, blackcurrant, jasmine petals. Dry down is clear wood, vibrant woods, and musk. I don't like scents with musk, so I don't know how I'm gonna love this, but I'm gonna spray it on a card and we're gonna find out together. Yeah, no, this is not an Aisha scent. I mean, it's not bad. It's still kind of fresh because it has like the lemon and the jasmine, but it has like it says a musky scent. And for me, this is just my personal opinion, so don't come for me because everybody's entitled to like what they like. Me personally, I like girly girl scents. I like citrus. I like fruity, like anything rosy, like it smells like roses. I don't like anything musky. To me, musky reminds me like of a more manly scent. Not to say that a female can't smell like manly or musky, you know, because I love Creed Aventus, which is like a very expensive cologne, but it's kind of unisex, like women can wear it too. But I like to mix that with like a fruity scent. Like I would never wear that by itself because it's very like, whew. So I can, but that's like the only scent I feel like I would wear that has like a musty undertone. Rather than that, like, I really don't like, yeah. It just, I don't know, for me, I like girly, fruity, like, you know, stuff like that. But that's just my opinion. So I'm happy that I didn't like it because now I don't have to buy another bottle of fragrance. Alrighty, so I got an Alterna Anti-Aging Smoothing Anti-Frizz Blowout Butter. It protects and perfects medium to thick hair. this is what she looks like. So I got, so for a fragrance, a hair product, and a lipstick. And then there's some stuff. Can you guys see? There's like 3 things in here. So it says Cooler Sun Silk Drops, SPF 30. So that's the packaging. So let's open it up and see. So what is this now? Sun Silk Drops. 360 protection from the sun, environmental toxins, and digital exposure. Very interesting. The bottle's cute. That's what the bottle looks like. Very cute. Alrighty, so what else did we get? I got a Clinique Moisture Surge. I'm gonna give this away because I feel like I got this before, and I don't know what box I got it in, but I definitely have this already. My skin is dry. I mean, my skin is oily, not dry. So that's what it looks like though. So I'm gonna put this for another giveaway coming up. See guys, I told you, if you didn't win my last giveaway, I always keep having giveaways. 100H Auto Replenishing Hydrator. That's what the packaging looks like. Alrighty, so we're gonna give that away. And then I got a Shiseido sunblock, sun protecting lotion, SPF 50 for face and body. Probably gonna give this away too. And then I got a Grande Lips Hydrating Lip Plumper. Very nice. I like this color. I definitely will use this. So look at all of this stuff I got for $15, guys. Like, you guys can't like deny you get a lot for $15. Like, this is great for somebody who wants to try different stuff, skincare, hair stuff, makeup stuff. Like, they really give like a good option of stuff. Like I used to do a Laura Beauty box, Glossy box, and stuff like that, but the boxes was too much skincare heavy. Like, majority of my box can't be skincare. Like, it would be like, if it's 5 items, like 1 thing would be makeup, and the makeup thing would be like a lip balm. To me, that doesn't count as really like makeup. So like, I love that, like, this is more versatile. Now, give or take, like, only 2 things were makeup, but it wasn't all skincare. Like, I don't mind getting like hair products, you know, sunblock we could all use, and fragrance. In reality, they only really gave 1 skincare item because I got a fragrance, hair care, 2 makeup products, and like a sunblock, 2 sunblocks. Well, I don't think it would have made sense to give 2 sunblocks. Sunsilk Drops sunscreen, and then another. That was weird to give 2 sunscreens, but it's the summertime and the bag is like very summery, so I'm guessing that's why they gave the sunblock. But for $15, I got a bag. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 items. 8 items for $15. Not too shabby, not too shabby. And a $5 off card. You can't complain. So I'm very happy with this box. I will give this box a, I would give it a 8 out of 10, because normally I give my boxes 9 out of 10 when it's like a little bit still more makeup heavy. But I still love the box. I still absolutely love the box. And that's why I will continue to do the Macy's Beauty boxes on my channel, because it's not a heavy skincare box. And all of the heavy skincare boxes, I feel bad. Like Allure, I had to, after my year, I signed up for a year. I'm done with it. Like Glossy box, I did it for a year. Now I'm done. It's just, I gave it a chance, but the majority, like literally, wait till I show you my, where I stash the majority of my skincare. I have like drawers of skin, like really? Like really. So now that I stopped some of those boxes, like my skincare stuff has been a little more stagnant, which I'm happy about, because now I can actually use the skincare that I have. I mean, I'm still never gonna be able to finish all the skincare I have, unfortunately, in a lifetime, but it's better than what it was a year ago. So I'm excited to try these things. What did you guys think? What of my subscribers are using the Macy's Beauty Box? Let me know in the comments down below. If you haven't already, don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, don't forget to subscribe. Like, comment, subscribe, show your girl some love, give me a thumbs up, all that fun stuff. You guys know the drill, okay? Alrighty guys, I'll see you guys all in my next video. Bye.